guys, I'm Rupert. I'm Charlie.
Don't, because he's going to put that in.
He's going to put everything in, it doesn't matter. We do these every week, but without further ado, perfect. Welcome back to another episode. Today we're making churros. It's a Mexican staple. You can find it all around Latin America. It's the ultimate street food. Love it. Sugary, crispy, light, decadent. Everything you want. So as always, guys, like, subscribe, push that notification button. We are going to be doing these every week. But without further ado, we have a special guest announcement as it's Easter. It is our beautiful, wonderful Emily May, our sister. So without further ado, Charlie, run us through what equipment we're going to be needing.
Yes, only going to be needing a few things, guys, to be making this amazing dessert. You're just going to need a rubber spatula, a whisk, a piping bag with a nozzle. You're going to need a weighing scales and, of course, a thermometer. Really important, dealing with hot oil. You don't want that to go everywhere, so really good to check that. Yeah, let's get into it.
Well, Charlie, it doesn't really seem like we have that many ingredients to play with. We've just got eggs, flour, butter, sugar, water, and I guess that's for the chocolate sauce.
Yes, so we barely need anything. So what we're going to be doing is putting our water into a pan and just dissolving our sugar and melting our butter.
Perfect.
And we'll add our flour, so it's going to come into a sort of a dough. And then we're going to just bring that dough off the heat and then just crack our eggs in and just sort of emulsify that into our dough. Nice. Put it into our piping bag and that's ready to start frying. Chocolate sauce basically is just microwave. I've got coconut milk here, just so I might taste a bit different, a bit nice.
So
simple.
Yeah, and then we just got some Nutella, so we're just going to whisk that into this coconut milk and we're just going to pour that over. And we're going to get some cinnamon sugar as well.
Perfect. Well, let's crack on.
So, Emily, if you want to grab that water and just pour it into our pan here. So we've got 125 millilitres of water. So that goes into a pan. And we're going to bring that up to a heat. And then also, if you just grab that butter as well, we've also got 120 grams of sugar.
Yeah, and that should be any sugar, right?
Glass of sugar, yeah.
Nice. And then just
6 tablespoons of your butter. So
amazing.
Unsalted, totally fine. So we just put that into our pan straight away.
Beautiful, and then add the butter as well.
Butter. And then Emily, if you just want to whisk that down just until everything's incorporated and all the sugar's dissolved and the butter has melted as well.
Right then, so now Emily has whisked that and has multiplied it. The next step is adding the flour, right?
Yeah, absolutely.
And how many grams is it again, Barry?
So we've got 125 grams of just plain flour. Plain flour is probably the best to use.
Okay.
So yeah, basically when that comes up to temperature and it's ready to rock and roll. Yeah, pour it all in. Just keep whisking that as much as you can. And
You need some arm strength.
Yeah.
So don't worry about the lumps too much because it's going to eventually get out. And actually now is probably a good time to substitute the whisk for the spatula. And that's just going to work that for a couple of minutes just to get those lumps out. So just keep bringing it back and forth, don't overcatch the bottom. And if you just get your wrist Emily and just sort of work it like this either side and just sort of flap it around. Yeah, exactly. So it's almost a bit like a roux, like we make for like a base sauce.
Like a challenge.
This probably comes close to being a choux pastry, so what you use to make your profiterole buns or things like that.
Okay.
So this is mostly close to how a choux pastry. Perfect. So that looks pretty much done. It's alright if there's a couple of tiny lumps in flour of it. It really isn't the end of the world. Like, doesn't have to be massively perfect. It's all going to be fine off anyway.
It's a rustic kitchen, right?
Yeah. So we've got a glass bowl here. So if you just want to transfer your dough into there. Perfect. And we're just going to let that cool for just 2 minutes before we add our eggs because we don't want to scramble our eggs. We just want to just incorporate.
There you guys a bit closer. There you go, guys. Sort of nice and together. Nice in there in the bowl. Not really many flour lumps, but don't worry if there is.
Yeah.
And then we'll just let that cool and crack on with the
Just
sauce.
set that off to the side. What I want you to do, Rupert, while I do the sauce, is if you just get some sugar and just 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, we're just going to have our cinnamon sugar.
Perfect. Amazing. mixed in, bro.
Nice, perfect. So,
Ready to go.
moving on to our sauce. So, Emily, if you pour our coconut milk into that little tiny bowl.
The sauce is the best bit.
Yes.
I'll go with that.
And then we'll just pop our coconut milk into our microwave. I think for the amount we're doing, 20 seconds is going to be nice and warm. So, our coconut milk is done.
In goes the chocolate sauce.
And 10.
Let's have it.
And then you just got to keep mixing it until it gets to that right consistency.
It's beautiful.
That looks amazing.
Super easy chocolate sauce, 2 things. Oh, also what might be quite good is I'll just get some vanilla paste or vanilla essence, and that will just give it an extra little bit of deliciousness. Perfect. So we'll put that to the side once we're ready to use.
So you keep whisking it, got a nice shiny consistency.
That's ready to open up.
That
ready
looks
to
so
go.
nice.
Perfect. So we'll leave that there. Next, so we've got the cinnamon sugar done.
The fun bit.
Chocolate sauce is done. Our dough is pretty much cooled. I'll just grab our rubber spatula again. What we're going to do is, Rupert, you just keep mixing it, and Emily, if you just want to crack the egg in, and Rupert, or vice versa, whoever wants to mix.
You can mix.
I'll mix.
I
So-
mixed last time.
Just beat it through, and then Emily, if you just crack the egg, and then once that egg's incorporated, you can crack the other egg in, and that's ready to put in our pudding.
Okay. Cool.
Yeah, perfect. So what we're looking for is just like adding things bit by bit, just so we get the right consistency. Because we can always add to stuff, but once it's added, we can't really take it out. So Emily, you can put in your last and final. Good. And if you want to beat that through there. And then Emily, what I want you to do is if you get a piping bag,
Yay!
if you just hold it like this,
Okay.
like a dog poo bag, and then once that's all incorporated, Rupert, don't put all the mixture in there, just put bit by bit.
Just bit by bit.
Okay.
And then
I'll come
Emily
around
can
it.
be ready to start squeezing it out.
So what temperature does our oil need to be before we start putting it in there?
Anywhere between 160 and 180.
Cool.
So always start with a little bit of oil less because it's going to double in size when you bring it up to the heat.
This is almost coming together. I can see why you didn't want the whisking job.
Yeah.
That looks good.
It's quite a workout.
And you want it kind of quite wet because if it's too stiff and your dough's like really hard, it's going to be really hard to pipe out of the piping bag. So ideally, it being a little bit wet. And then squeeze. Probably got another 2 more in there.
Cool. Alright, cool, that's in there. Perfect. And now it's ready to...
Yeah, so our oil's pretty much at 170, 181, so perfect. So we just twist the bag like this, and if you just hold your finger like that, Emily, just sort of easier to sort of squeeze
Okay.
through like that. Hold at the top, and you're gonna squeeze at the top, and you're gonna go around in a circular motion like that.
Okay.
Well, that's looking really good. Huh? Perfect. So yeah, we're just going to snip them off at the end just so it's easy to sort of get them in there.
Yeah.
And then we're just going to pretty much brown them off.
This way.
Quite nice. So we'll wait till these are done, Ruth, and then we'll start to put yours in.
Okay. Amazing, those look so good.
Yeah, so they're ready to probably just drain up on our kitchen towel.
I'll let you go.
So,
Doesn't really matter what shape they're in either, just however.
Rupert, do you want to start squaring?
Yeah, that's fine.
And what we're going to do with these is we'll just pat them down with the towel just to drain off the excess oil. And then with our cinnamon sugar, we just roll them in that. It's like almost reminds you of like when we used to go to fun fairs or like
Yes.
Winter Wonderland where there's just like churro stands everywhere. So do you want to roll one in? You just use some of your fingertips to just cut.
Alright then guys, so there you have it, churros made easy. I think mine is personally better than Emily's.
Definitely is.
But that is that. Yeah, anything to add on that?
Yeah, it's just such an easy, nice recipe to do. You know, one to sort of pull out and impress everyone with. Great for dinner parties and just sort of having as like a really naughty
I think
treat.
so, and the chocolate sauce smells amazing. Anyway, as always guys, like, subscribe, push that notification button. Let us know what you think in the comments below if you'd like me and Charlie or Emily as well to come and cook anything else for you that you would like to see. As always guys, have a lovely rest of your day and we will see you next week in the next vlog.
Happy
Bye
Easter!
guys, happy Easter guys.